Hey everyone. So let me just start with the slide. Oh, yep, seems cool. So yeah, hey everyone. I'm Harsh, project lead of Ethereum Push Notification Service. We are here to talk about why the communication layer for Web3 is really, really important. So let's dive right into it. So of course, we always want to start with some good vibes, which is why we are not full screen. And this is not a good vibes video. Just give me a second. Uh, all right, here we go. And awesome. Went exactly as planned. All right. So guys, why communication layer for Web3 is important? Or what are we missing in Web3? Well, it's communication. Just think about it. What is Web2 apps? What do Web2 apps have that Web3 app doesn't? Well, they have communication from services. We usually get up in the morning, we pick our phone, and we are seeing notifications from everything that we do, whether it's email, whether it's any delivery which we have done through Amazon, whether it's our bank account, or whether it's something social. Everything comes to our screen, and from there we take it forward. Even something as personal as when we are chatting with someone, it's coming from notifications. We are not going to WhatsApp or Signal or Telegram. We are just waiting for notifications to come to them. And not many people realize, but even when we are doing FaceTime video, voila, that's notifications, just that the operating system is interpreting it differently. So yeah, that's Web 2.0. Let's go to Web 3.0, and you'll see this communication lagging and this communication not being there, putting us through so much terrible UX and UI. It results in a critical info drop. Let's say you're building the next DeFi protocol. Again, how do you communicate with your users that a wallet address? Communication layer is not built, and therefore you cannot. And that causes a huge problem. Your loans are liquidated, and you as a user, you don't get to know about it. When you go to governance or DAOs, you're building the next DAO. Again, how do you communicate to users that your proposals are there and they need to vote on it? Well, the fact is that people right now do it through Twitter and Discord, and maybe, just maybe, it will reach you. But if you're involved in 10 DAOs or so, it will never happen. And then, you take this concept further, you take it to NFTs, you take it to metaverse. Again, you have to realize, unless you as a Web3 user are able to communicate with the other Web3 user, the communication will never be as useful and as usable as a Web2 platform. Well, of course, that's the problem. The solution is definitely us. We fixed that for Web3. What we did was we introduced a new communication primitive for Web 3.0. And by that, we mean we created a decentralized communication protocol using which any dApp, any smart contract, or any backend services can send communication starting with notifications that are tied to wallet address. And these communications, they can be on-chain, they can be off-chain, they can be gasless, but more importantly, they are open, they are multi-chain, and they are platform agnostic. Why do we need open communication layer? Well, that's just how Web3 operates. When we are looking at a crypto wallet, what we are looking at is our blockchain data that is open. And communication needs to be like that. That's the end goal of EPNS, like famous crypto wallets or popular crypto wallets just tap into the EPNS protocol and show you notifications for your wallet address as and when they come, show you chats for your wallet address as and when they come, and hopefully video also in some time. So yeah, how does it work? Well, essentially, we have this thing called EPNS core. It's a smart contract. It resides on Ethereum, and any service, any person who wants to basically send a communication, they have to come and activate themselves on this EPNS core. This basically becomes the governance layer. Then on the right-hand side, we have EPNS COM layers. These are two layers which enable communication. The first layer is EPNS COM smart contract middleware. And the idea is if you're a smart contract, then you can interact with EPNS COM middleware smart contract and send those communications or notifications out. And the second layer which we have is the EPNS COM SDK. This enables gasless communication. So just think about it. Not everything we do is a communication that requires on-chain events or that actually uses on-chain events. As I said, like loan liquidations, you don't want to be notified when your loan liquidates. I mean, that's just sad. You need to be notified near the loan liquidation event. And yeah, you just take it further. Think about snapshot off-chain governance. You are not notified because an on-chain event has occurred. And then, you can build it up so much and so forth. Think about, let's say, a version 3 of Aave comes in. Again, EPNS COM gasless communication can be used to deliver that. And so on and so forth. So yeah. That's the EPNS COM layer. Then in the center, we have push nodes. These are basically P2P validator nodes. And their job is as simple as listening to all the communication that is coming from EPNS COM layers, validating it to EPNS core, and if everything looks good, admitting it into the network. From there on, any crypto front end can just tap into the network and can deliver these notifications out. So yeah, I wanted to show a live demo, but then my team told me that we have a workshop, so a live demo is reserved for that. Just in case you guys are interested, just come speak to us after the presentation, and we can hook you up. We are going to walk you through the live demo. We are going to walk you through how to set this up for your own protocol or for any Web2 or Web3 services which you are building that might want to communicate with the wallet address. Yeah, a little bit of show off. So yeah, we are backed by the best. So just shout out to all of them to help us build this. We just launched on Ethereum mainnet a month back, and we are going to come on Polygon after that. And even we are going to come on all the other blockchains, EVM and non-EVM both right after. All right, and again, building the show off out. So shout out to all our friends. When we started, like we reached out to all these awesome projects, and we said that work with us, help us create the communication layer for Web 3.0, and that's exactly what they did. And yeah, any one of you, if you're building out any of your cool next idea, any of your cool next project, come talk to us or say hi after the presentation, or just scan the QR code. That's about it. Thank you, everyone. I think I can take questions over here now.